I'm Elizabeth Haverfeld, and I'd like to welcome you to this MYOB AccountRight v19.8 Purchase Centre training. In this course, we'll be learning to use the Purchase Centre within the MYOB AccountRight to manage the purchasing and buying functions for a service business. During this video, we will learn how to open an existing data file, navigate the command centre, and view the setup of tax codes. We will add some supplier card information, along with searching and finding cards. We will enter some transactions when the money has been spent, record the bills which require payment, and view how much we owe our suppliers and record those necessary payments. We will prepare remittance advices and advise when the payment has been made. And finally, we will learn the process of backing up and restoring the company data file. At OfficeLink Learning, we have been providing consulting and training services to the small business sector since 1999. This video has been created to assist small business owners and future users of MYOB products to be able to methodically use the purchase module. We have used all these years of experience and knowledge to try to provide a pictorial learning opportunity. Maintaining a creditor's ledger and supplier data is paramount to every business in order to understand what costs have been incurred by the business. Every business can have a professional and organised approach to recording their money spent and indicating which bills are due for payment, ensuring your business reputation for the next purchase. This video will also guide you through lots of tips and tricks to make your data entry efficient and navigation around the screens and fields feel smooth. Charlie's business has written out several cheques during the month which have already been mailed to the suppliers. We'll now enter a transaction for $320 worth of stationery paid to Stationery Plus on the 9th of January using cheque number 1495. From the Banking Command Centre, click on to Spend Money. Ensure in the top left-hand corner the ANZ cheque account is selected. We have a balance and our tick is turned on for tax inclusive. The cheque number needs to be changed to 1495. Tab down to the date and remember you can press your spacebar for the date to appear. We now need to go back to January and we're going to change the date to be the 9th of January. Tab down to the amount and place in 320. Pressing tab, it populates all the dollars and cents and decimal point. We'll now choose the card by clicking onto the drop-down box. Oh, there is no card. So now what we need to do is to type Stationery Plus and use the New button. We need to ensure that it is a supplier card with a company designation, press tab and click onto the OK button. Now we can even start typing Stationery Plus and press tab. Let's tab down to the memo and put it as Stationery Plus, or you could say Stationery for Office. Tab down to the account. This is going to be an expense account, so I type 6 to quickly go down the chart of account list to expenses. We now need to look down the list for office supplies. Let's double click, tab across and make sure that our tax code is going to be GST because there is GST on stationery. Now we have $29.09 worth of GST calculated because our tax inclusive tick is turned on. We've finished all of our entries, so now we can go record and cancel back to the command centre.